is my normal 3x3. And this is a mini 3x3 that my friend gave me. And this is the world's smallest 3x3. Now I'm going to unpackage this. We've got the cube, kind of hard. Finally. Today, I'm going to solve the world's smallest 3x3. I'm also going to answer this question. Is the world's smallest 3x3 a speed cube? At the end of the video. Let's get started. I'm going to start shuffling this cube and I'm going to solve it. Okay, I guess this is good. Now, let's start. This will take a long time for me because this is a really big and not good cube. This is my first time actually stopwatching. And if I had a bad timing, it's okay because this is the world's smallest 3x3. I'm not actually going to solve it that fast. What? Already 31 seconds in? This is bad. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Dang it. 1 minute in, 1 minute in. I only got the white cross. That's bad, but I guess it's good for now. I'm hesitating. I need to just relax and solve this cube. Oh man. This will be hard, like I said. Come on, come on. 2 minutes is not that much. Why am I slowing down? I should be fasting up. I don't know even what I'm saying. I'm just gonna keep focusing on this cube. Oh, no, 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 no. Yes, second layer done. It only, what? 2 minutes? 3 minutes? I don't know. How good I am on this cube. 3 minutes in, that's bad or good. Comment down below which one's better, if it's good or not bad. Because I think it's good, because I'm solving the world's smallest 3x3. 3 minutes in, 4 minutes in, whatever. I only care about solving this. Can I solve this? Can I solve this? I can solve this, right? Can I solve this? Yes, I can solve this. Please let me solve this. I have not messed this up. If I just mess this up. Oh, and I'm done. 4 minutes and 11 seconds. Comment down below if this was a good or bad one. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I said I was going to answer my question. Is the world's smallest device a speaker? So the answer is no, but it is better than my bigger cube. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow it with me.